Ariane 5 rocket launches DSN-1, Superbird-8 and HYLAS 4 satellites.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage du Vulcain. Allumage des EAP, décollage.
A European rocket bounced back from a minor January anomaly with a picture-perfect launch of 2 commercial communications satellites on April 5. An Ariane 5 rocket lifted off from the Guiana Space Center in French Guiana today at 5:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time, successfully delivering the DSN-1, Superbird-8 and HYLAS 4 satellites to geostationary transfer orbit high above Earth. The targeted transfer orbit brings the satellites as close as 250 kilometers to Earth and takes them as far away as 35,786 kilometers, according to representatives of Arianespace, the France-based company that operates and markets the Ariane 5. The 2 satellites will use their own onboard thrusters to settle into the final operational orbits. Today's flight was the first for an Ariane 5 since January 25, when one of the workhorse rockets carried 2 communications satellites to the wrong orbit because its onboard computer had been programmed with faulty navigation data. MTHE mistake wasn't fatal for the affected satellites. They'll be able to get to the final orbits but will have to use more fuel than originally expected to do so, the spacecraft's operators have said. DSN-1, Superbird-8 and HYLAS 4 will be operated by Japanese companies SkyPerfect JS80 and Britain-based Avanti Communications, respectively. Each satellite has a design life of 15 years. Superbird-8 will carry high-performance Ku and Ka transponders and will provide satellite communication services mainly in the Japanese market, Arianespace representatives wrote in a mission press kit. HYLAS 4 will deliver high-speed, reliable and secure satellite communications to Internet service providers, ISPs, mobile network operators, MNOs, governments and satellite operators across Europe through its Ka-band capacity, the representatives added. Today's launch was the 242nd overall liftoff for an Ariane rocket, Arianespace representatives said.
So you heard the applause and you heard the good news.